Alright guys, what's going on? Hemi here. It's about to be 7:30 in the morning. We're trying to head to the muffler shop because like Tom says, we're going to install a muffler today. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started.
Hop, hop, hop.
Oh my God!
Oh my, hop, 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 hop.
Alright, so I'm here at Big Al's again. I had to come back because they didn't have any availability in the morning, so we got 30 minutes before we have to go in there and drop the car off. And I'll try to get some footage of you guys of them working on it and stuff like that.
So this tow hook's kind of in the way of getting this muffler up there. You got one here, so I mean potentially we could take that off, but yeah, that's the only way to get that on.
Is this only for towing?
Yes.
Oh shit! Just take it off. Actually, if you want, you can cut both of them off if you want to. I'm not going to use the tow hooks.
Well, if you definitely want to keep this.
Oh, I do.
Yeah, if you break down or something.
Oh, I
you
get
don't
what
want
you're
the tow
saying.
truck
Yeah,
to
I get what you're
grab
saying.
you.
I get what you're saying. But yeah, it looks like you don't need to cut it off. You can just ball off right here unless
Right. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We'll try to get those out. I mean, there's some rust, but for being from New York, it's really not real bad. I mean, it's
yeah.
a little rusty, but nothing we'll say terrible.
Yeah. Is that a mid muffler right there? A resonator right there, or is it the cat?
It is. Yeah, it's mid.
Okay. Is it gonna? You think it'll change the sound, or?
It should. I mean, this is a much more free-flowing muffler than this one. You can always have that installed and see what you think. You want it louder.
I think that's what I'll
later.
do. I'll just install this now, and then if I want to cut it off, I'll come back to you guys and cut it off.
All right. Sounds good. Well, just give me a couple minutes. I'll get you a price on it.
Okay, gotcha. Thank you.